Good morning, Pastor Bill. My name is George Leapart, and I have the privilege of serving in a ministry called Bear Creek Water. Ironically, Bear Creek Water exists because of you. Matter of fact, because you were the one who was the catalyst to Bear Creek Water, I'd like to ask you for a favor. Matter of fact, if you could grab your checkbook, I'd appreciate it. Let me explain. 3 years ago, as we were returning from the summit, Bear Creek Water was birthed. You had challenged us to think big and think globally, and our staff and our leaders did. Take a look.
We just want to thank you for bringing your bottles and cans to Bear Creek. We really appreciate it, and your lifesaver literally. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
What does it matter now in this life of ours? Let's work together. Come on, let's work together. Now, people, because together we will stand. Every boy, every woman, and a man. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, let's work together. Oh, well, I'll make someone happy.
I have a check here for $15,000. This money funds the 17th, 18th, and 19th wells.
On behalf of the people who received the water, thank you.
On behalf of Bear Creek Community Church and Bear Creek Water, thank you. Because of you, we've had the privilege of serving so many thousands of children by providing clean water. Matter of fact, we have funded 20 clean water wells, raised just over $100,000 through recycling plastic bottles and aluminum cans. So Pastor Bill, about that favor, now you're going to appreciate this as a Dutchman. I want you to fill in on that check the amount of 0. Because Pastor Bill, we don't want your money, but we want your influence. I look forward to talking to you soon.